10 shocking facts about Ireland that you might not know. Ireland looks calm at first glance. Rolling green hills, quiet villages, and coastlines that feel untouched. But look closer, and a different picture begins to emerge. This is a place filled with unexpected truths, surprising contrasts, and stories that don't always match the image people have in their heads. Some of these facts will challenge what you thought you knew. Others will feel almost unbelievable. And one, especially the number one spot, changes everything. This is 10 shocking facts about Ireland that you might not know, and by the end, Ireland may feel far more complex than it first appears. 10. Ireland was once largely covered in forest. Long before the open green landscapes people associate with Ireland today, much of the island was covered in dense woodland. After the last ice age, forests gradually spread across large areas, with native trees like oak, ash, and elm dominating the land. Imagine walking through thick, quiet forests where sunlight barely reached the ground and wildlife moved through the shadows. Over centuries, farming, settlement, and timber use steadily reduced that coverage. Today, Ireland has relatively low forest cover compared to many European countries. The wide fields you see now are not the original landscape. They are the result of centuries of change. And that transformation tells a deeper story about how people shaped the land itself. 9. Halloween began in Ireland. What is now a global celebration filled with costumes and sweets has roots that go back thousands of years to ancient Ireland. The festival of Samhain marked the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter. It was believed to be a time when the boundary between the physical world and the spirit world became less defined. Large bonfires were lit, and people wore disguises to avoid wandering spirits. Picture entire communities gathered in the dark, with flames lighting the night and a sense of mystery in the air. Over time, these traditions evolved and spread, eventually becoming modern Halloween. So every costume and carved pumpkin carries a small piece of Ireland's ancient past. 8. Ireland has no native snakes. Ireland is one of the few places in the world where you won't find native wild snakes. While stories often link this to folklore, the scientific explanation is straightforward. After the Ice Age, rising sea levels separated Ireland from mainland Europe before snakes could migrate back. As a result, the island developed without them. Walking through forests, fields, or along coastal paths, there's no chance of encountering a snake in the wild. It's a small detail, but it adds to Ireland's distinct natural identity. And it's one of those rare facts that feels almost symbolic of how different the island can be from its neighbours. 7. The Titanic was built in Belfast. One of the most famous ships ever constructed, the Titanic, was built in Belfast in the early 20th century. At the time, the shipyard operated by Harland and Wolff was among the largest and most advanced in the world. Thousands of workers contributed to the project, assembling what was considered a marvel of engineering. Standing near the docks back then, you would have seen an enormous steel structure rising above the skyline, dominating the city. Today, that legacy remains an important part of Ireland's industrial history. It serves as a reminder that the island's story includes not just rural beauty, but also major contributions to global innovation. 6. Ireland has a relatively young population. Despite its long history and deep traditions, Ireland has a relatively young population compared to many other European countries. A significant share of people are under 35, which gives cities and towns a noticeable sense of energy. Walk through Dublin or Galway and you'll see it in busy streets, lively cafes, and a constant sense of movement. There's a blend of tradition and modern life happening at the same time. Old buildings stand beside new developments, and traditional music can be heard alongside contemporary culture. That balance creates a unique atmosphere, one where the past is respected, but the present feels vibrant and active. 5. The Irish language is still spoken today. Irish, also known as Gaeilge, is one of the oldest languages in Europe and remains an official language of the country. While English is widely spoken, Irish continues to play an important role in national identity. In regions known as Gaeltacht areas, it is still used as the primary language in everyday life. You might hear conversations in Irish in shops, schools, or on the street. Road signs often appear in both Irish and English, giving even simple journeys a cultural depth. It's not just a historical relic, it's a living language that connects modern Ireland to its past in a direct and meaningful way. 4. Ireland is home to one of the oldest pubs in the world. Ireland's pub culture is well known, but some of its establishments are believed to date back many centuries. Sean's Bar is widely believed to have origins going back to around 900 AD, though the exact date is based on tradition and historical interpretation rather than complete continuous records. Still, it stands as one of the oldest pubs in Europe. Imagine sitting inside a building where generations of people have gathered, talked, and shared stories over hundreds of years. The wooden interiors, the low lighting, and the sense of continuity make it feel less like a business and more like a living piece of history. 3. Ireland has more sheep than people. Travel through rural Ireland and you'll quickly notice how common sheep are across the landscape. Rolling hills are often dotted with small white figures grazing quietly in the distance. In many years, the number of sheep on the island exceeds the human population, reflecting the country's strong agricultural tradition. Sheep farming has long been a key part of rural life, shaping both the economy and the scenery. It adds to that peaceful, almost timeless feeling that many visitors associate with Ireland. And it's one of those simple but striking details that define the countryside. 2. Ireland's weather can change rapidly. Ireland's climate is known for being mild but highly changeable. It's not unusual to experience sunshine, clouds, and rain all within a single day. Walking through a city or along a coastal path, you might feel warm sunlight one moment, followed by a sudden cool breeze and light rain the next. This variability is due to Ireland's location in the Atlantic Ocean, where weather systems move quickly. While it can be unpredictable, it's also what keeps the landscape so green and vibrant. The shifting skies, dramatic clouds, and changing light create a constantly evolving backdrop that feels alive. 1. Ireland has one of the richest storytelling traditions in the world. Perhaps the most surprising fact about Ireland isn't something you can measure, it's something you experience. Ireland has a deeply rooted tradition of storytelling that goes back centuries. Myths, legends, and folklore have been passed down through generations, shaping how people see the world. Stories of heroes, ancient beings, and mysterious events are woven into everyday culture. Even today, that sense of storytelling is alive in conversations, music, and literature. It's as if the land itself holds memories waiting to be shared. Once you notice it, Ireland becomes more than a place. It becomes a story you step into. This journey through 10 shocking facts about Ireland that you might not know reveals a country filled with depth, contrast, and quiet surprises. From ancient traditions to unexpected realities, Ireland continues to surprise those who take a closer look. And if this changed how you see it, there are always more stories waiting just beyond the next discovery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.